Rectification coverage is a first-party coverage that's provided to the insured, which is the construction firm, to pay for costs incurred to provide a remedy to a design defect that's discovered during the course of construction. It's not one coverage fits all. Even though you've got many markets or carriers within the construction professional marketplace offering rectification, or in some instances, some carriers refer to it as mitigation coverage, it's not all the same. There are differences. And give you an example, when it comes to the services that the carriers are willing to provide coverage for, they can vary. For instance, one carrier may provide coverage for only defects in design services, while another carrier may provide coverage for errors in all professional services, which may include more than just design services, surveying, construction management, and things of that sort. Another difference is some carriers will offer what's called a sublimit, meaning that it's a portion or a sublimit to your overall policy limit, while others will provide the rectification or mitigation coverage on a supplemental limit, meaning in addition to your overall policy limit. And I can't sit here and say one is better than the other, but when you look at supplemental limits, those carriers that are offering rectification mitigation with a supplemental limit also apply what's called a co-insurance provision. And usually an 80-20 co-insurance provision, meaning that the insured, the contractor, has to pay for 20% of the overall loss in addition to their deductible. So you may have a contractor with a deductible of $100,000. They pay that $100,000, and if you have a loss that's $1 million, they have to pay an additional $200,000. The upside to that is it doesn't erode their overall policy limit. And then the last is, I think, which is important too, is the fact some carriers differ in when you can actually report a rectification or mitigation claim. Some require that claim be reported prior to substantial completion, and other carriers don't apply a restriction. It doesn't have to be prior to or post construction. So those are the general differences within rectification mitigation in the marketplace.